Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 3, 2023. 3 star Sudoku. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 9. 5th grade, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will be another 2 cells. 6th grade, value of 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. And 6th row, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 6. 8th grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will be another 2 cells. 5th row, value of 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are only 1 number are remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, 3rd row, 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, column H, we have pair numbers 3, 7, 4. So 3, 7, 4 can't come in these cells. It will be another 3 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 will come in another cells. We will confirm. 10th row, column B, and the 8th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 8th row, we have 4. Column D also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. And then 9 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 9. 2nd row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm that. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 6. Third row, fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, and 3 is confirmed here. Sorry, column C, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 8. Third row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we already got 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column H also we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.